Hey everybody, Thomas here. You see some smoldering in the background because, well, I've been using this torch here to work on my fence. In fact, I torched it so much my top board fell off over there, so don't mind that. I got to redo that a little bit. But overall, it's been going pretty well. I've torched all down this fence line right here. These are just some offcuts of pine and everything. A buddy of mine did his daughter's riding arena. My offcuts of pine, it did the same kind of thing. That looks cool. It raises that grain. There's a certain Japanese name for this. This is a type of, I guess, treatment you can do. And as you can see, I got a section here I have not touched yet. But it's been working out very well. I like the way it looks. I think it gives it a really cool look. And we're going to continue to do that the rest of the way down the fence line. I'm going to do a little bit of a video because we have a thunderstorm coming in. Hopefully it stays north of us, where I can finish this out. But I'm happy with the way this looks thus far. I'm really tempted to do this to another building, but not here. I'm running out of time. It's all right. Anyways, I'm gonna put on a time lapse and I'll show kind of like the torching of this, and then I'm gonna show some other areas in property where I'm gonna do the same thing. Stay tuned. So if you saw, a train just went by, so it's perfect timing. It should be further enough down the road, it's not going to be too loud. The winds are definitely picking up. It just dropped like 10 degrees while I'm doing this. And I've got a few things smoking here and there, but it's not a bad thing. All right. Put on this, light her up. I love it. Fire. Who doesn't love fire? But anyways, you do have to be careful. We do have a bucket of water out here, and I've got to throw a little bit on there to make sure my posts don't light up anymore. But we're just going to start. Okay, so you can see I've got a spot over there that doesn't want to darken up. It's because I got water on it. So yeah, no good. And y'all are probably like, my goodness, he's putting fire to those logs. These are live oak logs. Live oak logs have a hard time burning when the whole world's burning around them. They're just hard to burn. But I've got a few more things over there that I have to throw some water on so that they don't continue to light up anymore. But I'm just glad that the wind has picked up and the temperature has kind of dropped down, because I'm not gonna lie, it was 85 degrees today. It's kind of warm. Too soon for this stuff.